Child sex ring spanning Mobile and Baldwin counties appeared in court today.
That's right. The case revolves around friends and family of missing mother Brittany Wood. And today we finally learned more about that investigation.
Fox 10 News reporter Chastity Bird was in the courtroom.
6 attorneys and 6 suspects stood before Judge Jay York. Today's hearing was to establish probable cause, and the attorneys had plenty to say afterward.
They are basically unsubstantiated. They are one of a litany of complaints and allegations that this young lady has made that did not surface till very late in the investigation. And there's no corroborating evidence. There's nothing that substantiates her claims.
Donald Briskman represents James Coomba. Also in court were Wendy Holland, Mindy Kent, Dustin Kent, William Brownlee, and Nelton Morgan. In court, prosecutors said most of the evidence for the state was the testimony of the 2 victims.
All the charges against her are based on one person's statement. I mean, we could all go to prison for lengthy periods based on that.
Jeff Dean represents Nelton Morgan.
It's a very serious charge. It's very egregious. It sounds horrible, and some people would lump them all together and say they're going to just crucify all of them. I don't think that's fair.
Some of the charges facing the suspects are rape, sodomy, and sex abuse.
The allegations here are that this was a group of family and friends who passed their children back and forth. That these children are related to one another, and they are related to many of these people.
As to defense claims that all the state had was testimony, Assistant District Attorney Nikki Patterson responded with this.
Most cases are based on testimony, and particularly child sex abuse. It's not a crime that's ordinarily committed in front of witnesses. It's something that is frequently done in private.
Patterson admitted there is no DNA evidence because many of these cases are a couple of years old. She added some of the suspects may be asked to testify against the others. All cases for all suspects will now be presented to a grand jury. Reporting from Mobile, Chastity Bird, Fox 10 News.
And the cases that were heard today are for the most recent arrests from Mobile Police and the Mobile County Sheriff's Office. Some of the people charged have also been arrested in other jurisdictions, including